Socializing is an essential part of our lives as humans. It allows us to connect and build relationships with others. One of the most common ways of socializing is by meeting people briefly, such as in a casual encounter or during a short conversation. In this context, Elon and Mark engage in a brief conversation to get to know each other. Good morning. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Good morning to you too. Maayong buntag sad. Maayong buntag sad. How are you? Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? I'm okay. Okay ra. Okay ra. What is your name? Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa imong pangalan? I'm Mark. Ako si Mark. Ako si Mark. How about you? What is your name? Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? I'm Elon. Ako si Elon. Ako si Elon. Where are you from? Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka? I'm from Davao. Taga Davao ko. Taga Davao ko. How about you? Where are you from? Ikaw, taga-asa ka? Ikaw, taga-asa ka? I'm from California. Taga-California ko. Taga-California ko. How old are you? Pila na imong edad? Pila na imong edad? I'm 45 years old. 45 anyos na ko. 45 anyos na ko. And how old are you? Ikaw, pila naman ka? Ikaw, pila naman ka? I'm 35 years old. 35 anyos na ko. 35 anyos na ko. What do you do? Unsa imong trabaho? Unsa imong trabaho? I'm a nurse. Nurse ko. Nurse ko. How about you? What do you do? Ikaw, unsa imong trabaho? Ikaw, unsa imong trabaho? I'm a teacher. Teacher ko. Teacher ko. What are you doing here? Gaunsa man ka diri? Gaunsa man ka diri? I'm a tourist here in the Philippines. Turista ko diri sa Pilipinas. Turista ko diri sa Pilipinas. Where are you going? Asa ka moadto? Asa ka moadto? I'm going to Manila. Moadto ko sa Manila. Moadto ko sa Manila. How about you? Where are you going? Ikaw, asa ka moadto? Ikaw, asa ka moadto? I'm going to Palawan. Moadto ko sa Palawan. Moadto ko sa Palawan. Can I get your number? Pwede na ako makuha imong number? Pwede na ako makuha imong number? Yeah, sure. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Okay, thank you. I'm going. Sige, salamat. Una na ko. Sige, salamat. Una na ko. Okay, take care. Sige, ayo-ayo. Sige, ayo-ayo. Socializing helps us build connections with people and create meaningful relationships. Highlighting the importance of being polite and respectful while socializing. Thanks for learning. Please like and subscribe for more videos.